Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, I've told you earlier. Today on Thursday, December the 30th, 2021, we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku, and this one I have already solved and told you earlier also. Not so good news for today because we have no additional with extra puzzles. So I've decided to continue with the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 29th. We have here an additional unfinished. So I will complete this additional, and we have three puzzles left: Letter Sudoku, two-star Sudoku, and the tectonic with 1 star. Alright, first the letter Sudoku. And this will be number 3906. 3906. Okay. Okay. 3906. And this is a letter Sudoku with 27 printed letters. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? And those letters that I can use are the letters T, the R, the C, the S, the E, the F, the K, the O, and the A. Alright, and the goal is to to solve this word in this row. Alright, so let's get started. We have a C in this column, C in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the C should be here or there. We see there C, no C there, C should be here. Okay. Well. CC and CC. Okay. Cannot continue with the C. How about the K in this column? The K in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the K should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the K and F. We have a K and F in this row, so no K and F in these three boxes. The K and F goes in those two boxes as a pair. K and F, K and F. We have a F there, no F there. F should be here, and the K should be there. Alright. Okay. Let me see. Three missing letters. In this column, the middle column, one of the missing letter is the O. We have an O there, no O here. Here also no O there. So one box left for the O, should be there. O in this column, O in the middle column. So the column next, the only three places left for the O should be here, or there. We see there, no O there. Here, O. No O there, the only place left for the O should be there. Alright. Okay. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the T. We see here T in this column. So no T in these two boxes. So one box left for the T should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters A is missing and the R is missing. We see an A, no A there. A should be here and the R goes there. Okay. We have a pair T and R in this column, T and R in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the T and R goes in those two boxes as a pair. T and R, T and R. So, okay, one box left in the middle column for the letter. Letter A is missing. Okay. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. F is missing. And the E is missing. F and the E. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here, and F goes there. Alright, so we have an F in this row, F in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the F should be here or there. You see there an F? No F there. F should be there. F in the third column, F in the second column. So the first column, the only three places left for the F should be here, here, or there. You see there an F? No F there. Here an F. No F there. The only place left for the F should be there. Okay, two missing letters in this row for the letters. R is missing and the E is missing. R and the E. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here and the R goes there. Okay. Three missing letters. In the last row, those missing letters are the C is missing, the O is missing, and the K is missing. C-O-K, 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 C-O-K. And look, we have a C and an O in this column. So no C and O in this box. The C and the O goes in those two boxes as a pair. C and the O. C and the O, we have a C there, no C there. C should be here and the O goes there. One box left in the last column. Sorry, for the last row for the letter K. Okay. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the K. We see here K in this third row, so no K in this box. Here also K in the second column, so no K in that box. One box left for the K. Should be there. K in the first row, K in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the K should be there. One box left in this column for the letter S is missing. S is missing. Okay. Here, two letters are missing in this second row, the T and R. T. Oh, we have an R there. So in this column, this box cannot be an R anymore. That box should be an R. And this box should be a T. One box left in this big square for the letter T. One box left in this big square for the letter R. Alright, two missing letters in the third row. For the letters A is missing and the E is missing. A and the E. We have an A there, no A there. A should be here and the E goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Yeah. We have an S in the last column. S in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the S should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters T is missing. And R is missing. T and R. T and R, we have a T there, no T there. T should be here, and the R goes there. Oh, apologies. Okay. So we have a C in the last column. C in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the C should be there. and all the C's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter C. We have a F in the last column, F in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the F should be here or there. We see then F, no F there. F should be here. F in this row, F in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the F should be there. And all the F's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter F. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. A is missing and the E is missing. A and E. Let me mark those 2 boxes. A and the E. About those 2 missing numbers in this letters in this column. K is missing and R is missing. K and R. K and R. We have a K there, no K there. K should be here. And R goes there. Alright. So we have a K in this row, K in that row. So the row will be 3 in the middle row. The only 2 places left for the K should be here or there. We see that K, no K there. K should be here. And all the K's are used. I can see the letter number 3, letter K. All right. O in this column. O in the second column. So the first column. The only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see there no O there. O should be there. O in this row. O in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the O should be here or there. We see there no O there. O should be there. And all the O's are used. I can see. Letter number 4, letter O. E in this column, third column. E in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the E should be there. Now we have an E there. So this box can be E anymore. That box should be an E. And this box should be an A. Alright. Oh, 1 box left in this big square for letter E. Okay. So we have an E in this row. E in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We see then E, no E there. E should be here. And all the E's are used. I can see. Letter number 5, letter E. Alright. 1 letter is missing in the first column for the letter T. The T is missing. Okay. 1 letter is missing in the last column for the letter A is missing. A. Okay. So we have an A in this row, A in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the A should be there. A in the first column, A in the third column. So the column between, the only place left for the A should be there. 1 box left in this row for the letter S. Solve this in 14 minutes. Task force. Yes, task force. 2 missing letters. Let me continue. These 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. T is missing. And R is missing. T and R. We have a R there, no R there. R should be here and the T goes there. 1 letter is missing in this row for the letter T. Yes. And the final 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. S is missing and the R is missing. We have a R there, no R there. R should be here, and the S goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well. Letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. A 2-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.